A monochromatic light of wavelength 600 nanometer is incident from air on a glass surface. What are the wavelength, frequency and speed of refracting light? Okay, refracting index of glass is 1.5. But during the refraction, during refraction, frequency remain constant. Frequency remains unchanged. Okay, but both wavelength and speed get changed. Okay, the frequency equal to frequency f equal to c by lambda. Okay, the frequency f is equal to c by lambda. C is velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided lambda is the wavelength. Wavelength is 600 nanometer. Wavelength equal to 600 nanometer. 600 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, so is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. But speed of refracted light, okay, the speed of refracted light, so speed of refracted light v glass, velocity of glass equal to c by mu, means refracting index 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 1.5, 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, wavelength of refracted light, wavelength of refracted light mu glass equal to v glass divided by frequency, so v glass equal to how much? So v glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 divided by frequency 5 into 10 to the power 40. So it's nothing but 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter equal to 400 nanometer. Okay. That question is monochromatic light of wavelength 600 nanometer is incident from air on a glass surface. What are the wavelength, frequency and speed of the refracting light? Okay, but refracting index of glass is 1.5 is given. But we know during the refraction frequency remains unchanged, means frequency remain constant. Okay, frequency remain constant, but wavelength and speed get changed. That due to, so means rarer medium and denser medium. Okay, that's why the frequency remain constant, but wavelength and speed is changed due to that depend on medium. Okay, but frequency, we know the frequency f is equal to c by lambda. C is the velocity of light, lambda is the wavelength equal to this much. So speed of refracted light, the speed of refracted light is speed, that speed of refracted v, g velocity of glass, okay, equal to c velocity of light divided by refracting index of glass, so is equal to this. But wavelength of refracted light, lambda glass is equal, wavelength of glass is equal to velocity of glass divided by frequency. Okay, so that's why 400 nanometer. Okay.